Welcome to Walnut House. This absolutely stunning 3-bedroom modern townhouse forms part of the iconic Royal Terrace development. You've got private gated parking for 1 car, stunning communal gardens, and you've got your own courtyard garden at the rear. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me at the rear of the property where we've got these wonderful communal gardens, but we've also got your own courtyard garden and you've got allocated parking for 1 car. It really is a rare opportunity to acquire a stunning property in one of the most desirable locations in Leamington Spa. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.